Today, I want to chat to you about something that's pretty close to my heart, and that's still life photography and why it's so much more powerful than people give it credit for. I really do have a deep love and appreciation for still life photography. So, you might think that still life is just a bowl of fruit on a table, but stick with me here because there's a whole world behind it and it might just become your new favorite genre too. So, still life isn't just about photographing things, it's about creating a moment, crafting a visual history, connecting with something deeper, all through the lens with simplicity but control. Honestly, it's the most intentional form of photography I've ever practiced. It's about capturing stills of our everyday life. This is a snapshot of history, if you will. So, what's the point of still life photography, you might say? One of the things that I really like about this genre of photography is that you have control over everything: the subject, the lighting, the composition, the mood you're trying to convey. And I get it, that might sound a little bit intimidating at first, but it's actually empowering. You're not waiting for the light to change or the model to pose. You build your scene from scratch. It's pure creative freedom. It's also the perfect way to learn the photography fundamentals, especially lighting, framing, styling, composition, because you can take your time and you can experiment. Your scene is not going to get bored or the light's not going to change on you dramatically depending on if you're using artificial or natural light. But there is time to sit down and be intentional with your shot. It also teaches you patience and mindfulness. I often say that it's like a Zen meditation. Still life slows you down. You don't have to interact with anybody. You can be very mindful of what you are doing. You're not there to snap hundreds of photos at once. You're observing, you're adjusting, you're thinking your way through a photo. There's something totally meditative about that. A moment of calm in a very, very noisy world. For me, it's a creative sanctuary. Like I said, it's a form of meditation, a way to tell a quiet, beautiful story with just a few simple objects and some gorgeous, gorgeous light. It also can help you build your own signature style. Because you're making choices about everything in the frame, still life is a brilliant way to explore your own personal aesthetic. Do you lean towards soft and dreamy? Or perhaps you like dark and moody? Maybe rustic or vintage, bold or minimal. There's so many different subgenres within still life to explore. Still life lets you play with color and texture and mood until you find your voice. And trust me, once you find it, your work will speak volumes, even without people in it. People always say they know it's one of my photos because it has that certain style, that certain look to it. And it's really nice to be able to find your style. That doesn't mean you can't be creative and expand beyond your style or even have your style evolve in time, but you still have that signature voice. So, still life might not be loud or trendy, but it can be powerful. It's thoughtful, it's storytelling, it's soul connecting work, and anyone can do it. If you've never tried it, I encourage you to give it a go. Start small, use what you have, and create with intention. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried still life photography? Or maybe you've been curious but didn't know where to start. Let's chat in the comments. And if you're looking to dive a little deeper, I've got a brand new self-paced online course launching very soon, The Art of Still Life #3. I've already had The Art of Still Life #1 and #2, and they were both huge successes. I had hundreds and hundreds of photographers complete it, and they say that it was one of the best courses that they've done. So if you want to check out The Art of Still Life #3, and it's packed with tips and projects and loads of information, check out my website and I'll put the link down below and you can join in with the fun as well. So that's it on my little thought on still life photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notification for more photography inspiration. And I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.